Okay, welcome back, my great students. This is your Igbo past question based on L2. This is L2 Igbo language 2 2017 continuation. This is part 6. We are in part 6, which will start from the last time we stopped at 34, but today we are starting from 35. Now, number 1 is họpụta aha eserese a. Point out the name of this drawing. A. Egbe. B. Mma oge. C. Mkpacha. D. Ọgụ. E. Onyeike. Okay, the answer is C, which is Mkpacha. Mkpacha means rake. Rake. The rake you use to rake something. To rake grasses or dirt. So that's the answer. 36. We have Olee aha eserese a. What is the name of this drawing? A is Ji. B. Nkwụ aba. C. Ọka. D. Ọkwụrụ bekee. E. Unere. Number 36 answer is B, which is nkwụ aba, which is called pineapple in English, which we call pineapple in English, we call pineapple in English. Okay, let's look at the 37. Họpụta aha eserese a. What is the name of this drawing? 37. A. Agụ. B. Atụrụ. C. Ewu. D. Nkịta. E. Nwamba. Number 37 is E. The answer is E, which is nwamba. Is it not pussycat that people call it in English? So nwamba, that is the answer. Okay, 38. Họpụta nke bụ aha eserese a. Point out the name of this drawing. A is akpụ. B. Ede. C. Ji. D. Ọka. E. Unele. So the answer is Ọka. This is where we will call it a day in this part 6. Now, next class we are going to enter part 7. All right. Please pursue knowledge. Education is life. God bless you immensely.